Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos to make something look like this. Boom! Well, not literally look like this, but this one. Ting, 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 ting. So, roll the intro. Roll the intro. Yeah, roll. Roll the intro. One more. Oh! What's up? What's up mga bash, mga bay, mga dudong, mga inday, and today I'm gonna show you how to edit your photos in Adobe Lightroom. Mobile phone Adobe Lightroom. So let's now start our video. Let's have some moody look for this photo. So let's go to our lights. Now if you haven't or if you don't know how to use this application, the Adobe Lightroom, I have a video for that one on how to use this application so you can follow easily on my tutorials, and it would be easy for you, and you know every uses or you know every tools on this app and how they operate well. So yeah, click the video, click the link. So let's go first to our lights. Let's adjust the exposure around 1.10 or something like that. It still depends on your photo whether your photo is overexposed or when you are shooting underexposed photo. So contrast, let's add some contrast around 10. Okay, highlights to -100 because the background of my subject is ocean, and it really reflects a lot of light. So that's -100 for the highlights. Shadows, adjust some shadows around 15, something like that, because as you can see there is a shadow. He's wearing a hat and there's a shadow under his eye, so let's remove that one. Let's adjust the shadows. Let's go to whites. Let's decrease the whites into -60, the black into around -32. So right, we are getting there. Just press hold to see the before and after of your photo. So wow, we already have a nice looking photo. Let's stop this one. No need to edit. Just kidding. Now let's proceed to in the upper part of your lights. You can see the curves. Let's add some point in the middle. That is your midpoint. Let's add another point here, and let's lower this one, and let's make this one lighter. Alright, too low. Let's something like that. Okay, we're getting there. Let's pull this one up a little, just a little. Okay, then just click done. So basically, wow, our photo is already beautiful. Thanks to our beautiful model, which is the Venus Spirit. Though you can check him. I'm gonna put his Facebook account, Facebook link in the description below, so you can add him. Maybe he has an IG account. You can also follow him. So let's move on to our temperature or the white balance. So let's adjust the temperature into around +9 because it's too cold and I wanted to add more warmth to it. +9. Let's leave the tint to 0. Let's add some vibrance around +26. Some saturation, decrease the saturation around -32, something like that, just to complement the vibrance and saturation from each other. So basically, wow, I need to stop doing this because it's very satisfying, and you can see the improvements of your photos step by step. Moving on, on the top corner you can adjust the grading. So let's adjust the grading here. Let's this is the shadows, the midtones, and the highlights. Go to the highlights and move this one. Move it to around 224 for you, something like that. And then let's move it again. And then the saturation to 29, something like that. Then click done. Let's go to the mix, the most exciting part of this one, because this is where you can adjust the color of your photo. Each color of the photo, you can adjust its hue, the saturation, and the luminance, so you can have more control on this one. So let's go to this is the red, nothing to adjust with this one. Let's go to the orange, adjust the hue into -11, or yeah, -11, the saturation to -19, right, too much, yeah, -19 or -20, then just leave the luminance to 0. Let's go to yellow to -20 of hue, right, -60 for the green, and +20 for the luminance. Saturate, that's green, it's yellow. +20 for the luminance for the yellow. Now let's move to the green, -20 for the hue, adjust the saturation in -70. So we kill the green. This is the term we use in photographers, killing the colors, just decreasing its saturation. Decrease the green to around -70 and just maintain the luminance into 0. Now let's move on to aqua. Adjust the aqua hue +10, and saturation to -20. Alright, and just leave the luminance on 0. Let's move to blue. Hue to -10, decrease the saturation to -60. Again, we are killing this color, -60, because we want that moody look. Alright, and the luminance to 0, and decrease the saturation for the violet into 100, and also 100, and also for the magenta 100. Yeah, right, and then click done. And you can see your photo, you can just hold it, just the before and after. So we are getting there, and we are almost done. So let's move to the next step. Let's go to the effects. Now on the effects, you can see the clarity. You can adjust it to +19 to make it more clear. It will pop up really. Alright, and dehaze to +20. Yeah. Yeah. It becomes more darker, because when you adjust it to negative, it will be brighter, and yeah, just +20 to make it that moody, darker look. And let's add some vignette. -23 for the vignette, something like that. But it still depends on you whether you want it to be less vignette. You want it to have vignette is the dark thing that you can see in the edges of your photo, and you can control the midpoint like this. These settings are up to you, but my setting would be just leave the midpoint to around 30, something like that, 30, and then feather it to around 96, or make it 100, and roundness into -45 or 46. Then yeah, that's it. So before and after. Now let's go to the detail. Let's add some sharpening to our image. Let's sharpen it around 20. Let's add some noise reduction, just 10 noise reduction, and Also 10 for the color noise reduction. So, ayan. So, that's it. We are done. We are done. Just before and after look of our photo. Before and after. Wow. It's that moody vibe. That cool vibe matching with the... It's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear the rain. I close all the windows, close all of the curtains. Yeah, I'm using a Boya microphone right now. I used Rode before. I hope Rode will sponsor this video. Because I'm using Boya mic and it's good. The mic is very good. The quality is good. Yeah, going back. Yeah, so this is our photo. This is the final look of our photo. You can just click copy settings, check mark, and you can just paste it to your another photo or make a preset for this one, the create preset. So you can just easily apply this one in your photos with just one click. So that's it for today, guys. If you have some questions, comments, suggestions that you wanted me to make a video about, if you want a look that you wanted me to make a video about, just comment down below. And if you like this video, please do hit the likes and subscribe button below if you aren't subscribed. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope I can make more videos like this. So with your support, I will do it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys to the next one. Outro. Peace. Yeah.